Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Creative State of Mind with Casey. I'm Casey. If you're new here, I create simple, easy, budget-friendly DIYs. If that's something that you also like and enjoy, please go like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos just like this. Also, hit that bell next to the subscribe button to be notified every time I upload a new video. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Creative State of Mind with Casey. In this video, I will be showing you how I created this beautiful glitter Easter egg wreath on a budget. This wreath is perfect for all your Easter decor, and it was very simple and easy to make. This video is also a part of Heidi Sumball Easter DIY Challenge. So please go check out her YouTube channel, Heidi Sumball DIY, to see more challenges and DIYs just like these. I hope by the end of this video you are inspired to go create your own Easter DIY. Alright, let's get started. Project, you will need an 14-inch wire wreath form. I bought mine from the Dollar Tree, of course, for just $1, and I purchased my beautiful glittery edge from Michael's. They were only $2.99, but all of Michael's spring decor is 40% off right now, and on this day I bought them at Michael's, and I also had a Michael's coupon for 20% off your entire purchase, including sale items, so I got these for a pretty good deal. And I bought at least 7 bags, and there were at least 8 to 10 eggs in each bag. So I always remember to buy more than you think you will need. Because remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry, and you can always use your other eggs like I'm going to do for another project. Okay, so when doing this project, all you want to do is simply get your Easter egg and get you some hot glue and put as much hot glue as you want on your egg. And you can put as little or as much as you want to. It's totally up to you. And just simply lay it onto your wreath form however you want. There's no right way. There's no wrong way to lay your eggs on your wreath form. It's just simply how you want it to look. And that's it. Again, like I said in the beginning of the video, this is a very simple, easy project. There is nothing difficult about this project. All you're doing is gluing your Easter eggs onto your wreath form. It's no special way you have to glue them on. Just with some hot glue or whatever adhesive you want to use, E6000, whatever you want to use, you can use it. Me, on the other hand, I'm using hot glue because that's just always my go-to thing, and it's very quicker that way. But there's nothing difficult about this project. Just gluing your eggs onto your wreath. You don't have to glue your eggs onto your wreath any kind of special way or nothing. Just literally just glue them on your wreath. I will even go as far as saying, you can get your children to help you with this project because it's so easy. There is nothing difficult or complex about it, and it was very fast. So yeah, if you want to have your children or your significant other or whoever help you with this project, you can, because it is very simple and very easy and very fast. So this is how your first circle will look when you're done. Now, in my opinion, you should always start with the outer circle first because your outer circle is your biggest circle, so you will use the most eggs on your outer circle. Now, I broke my wreath down into 3 layers, which are the outer circle, which is the biggest circle that I just completed. The next layer is the middle circle, which I'm about to start on next. And the last layer is your inner layer, which is your smaller circle. Now, if you were to use another type of wreath, like a grapevine wreath or a foam circle, then maybe you wouldn't have to use too many layers like this. But I'm not sure because I've only used the wired wreath form for this type of project. But I know you can use a grapevine wreath or a foam circle if you want to, but it's completely up to you. It's your preference, how you want to do it when you do your projects.
It's a sour taste in it. It's a sour taste. To be fooled again, honey. To be fooled again. Stole my heart and ripped it into pieces. Yes, you did. You know it's not the way I planned. No, it's not the way I want it. No, it's not the things I meant. Know that I'm not being honest. Not the way I wanted us to make sense. I just wanna be the one who loves you. I just wanna be the one. Face the heat and maybe make a promise. And make it through all our flaws, all our flaws. All our flaws, all our flaws. All our flaws, all our flaws. All our flaws.
Now, of course, if you were to do this project, you can go and buy whatever kind of eggs you wanted to buy. I have seen, of course, just the colorful plain eggs, the colorful speckled eggs with little speckles on them. I have even seen Target, they are selling the plain white eggs. I even seen that. So you can go buy whatever kind of eggs you want to buy for your project. But me, of course, when I saw these beautiful decorative glittery eggs, I just had to have them because, of course, I love glitter. And these were so pretty to me. They just immediately stood out when I saw them in Michael's. They were so pretty. They were so glittery. And I just knew I just had to have them for this type of project because I knew I wanted to do an Easter egg wreath. And, of course, I want my wreath to stand out. So when you want something to stand out, what do? You add glitter. So I picked these up and I just fell in love and I just had to have them. And it came out so beautiful, just the way I wanted it to look. And to help me from using the same color twice, especially in the same row, was I just separated my eggs by color. So I have my pink eggs in a little bag, and I have my gold eggs in a little bag, and I have my purple eggs in a little bag. And I just separated them by color so that way I wouldn't use them twice in the same row.
I just wanna be the one who loves you. I just wanna be the one. Face the heat and maybe make a promise. And make it through all our flaws, all our flaws. All our flaws, all our flaws. All our flaws, all our flaws. All our flaws. It's a cold embrace, ain't it? It's a big mistake to be falling back to the stuff we know will fail. Stole my thoughts for no given reason. None at all. No, it's not the way I planned. No, it's not the way I wanted. No, it's not the things I meant. Know that I'm not being honest. Not the way I wanted us to make sense. I just wanna be the one who loves you. I just wanna be the one. Face the heat and maybe make a promise. And make it through all our flaws, all our flaws. All our flaws, all our flaws. All our flaws, all our flaws.
Okay, so once you have all your Easter eggs glued to your wreath form how you like, you are done. Now, if you want to add more decorative pieces to it, like flowers or a nice bow, go right ahead and make it more beautiful. But for me, I'm just going to stop right here because these beautiful decorative glittery eggs are just enough for me for this wreath. I just absolutely love how this wreath came out. I love it, I love it, I love it. It is so pretty and everything I hoped it would be. I love the glittery eggs. I love the colors. I love everything about this wreath. I am so 1000% in love. When I would go out into the stores like Michael's and Walmart and see Easter egg wreaths like this, I would say, I want a wreath like that. But I thought to myself, I'm a crafter. I can go make it. And that's exactly what I did. And I am so happy I did because I am so in love. And I couldn't wait to go hang this on my door for everyone to see. My husband loves it. My family loved it. And most importantly, I loved it. And I hope I have inspired you to go out and make your own, because I know you will love it too. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope I have inspired you all to go out and create your own Easter DIY. If you like this video and want to see more content just like this, please go subscribe to my YouTube channel, Create a State of Mind with Casey, and don't forget to hit that like button and hit that little bell right beside it so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Now go create something beautiful. Bye.